at current levels with a stop loss of about 2300 and a target of about 2600.
Right, Nirav, again, so both the pharma stocks, again, you're sounding positive. So I think for the positional, for a sort of medium term, maybe a positional structure, again, Nirav is saying both the stocks are looking good. So maybe dips actually could be actually acting as an opportunity here. Let's take a short break here, but stay tuned, because when we return from the break, we're going to talk about number of interesting stocks. Stride Shasun 5% up from Friday, again, what you should be doing, and Apollo Hospitals, strong open interest addition, what you should be doing, and a number of IT stocks, again, TCS, Infosys. We'll be discussing all of those after this break. Stay tuned.
12 June 2017, RBI refers 12 large loan defaulters for insolvency. Loans worth 3.2 lakh crore 1 year down the line. How did the process pan out? What happens next? Why is there so much litigation? Will the defaulters be held accountable? Tough questions, crucial answers. Get them here. Mission Cleanup. 12 months, 12 companies, all through the week at 8:30 p.m. Only on Business Television India.
No one wants their world record to be broken. But I know there will be another. And that's the way it should be. Because good enough will never change the world.
Welcome back. You're watching the FNO Spotlight. Now let's ask Nirav his top picks for the day at present. Nirav, what would be those stocks which you're liking at present on either side, buy or sell?
Yeah. See, I have a buy and a sell both. The first one is a buy on Stride Shasun. If you see, this stock has witnessed tremendous amount of volumes around 330 and 370 odd levels. You know, the stock is now rightly, set up to come up towards 600 odd levels in the medium term, and it can come up very, very fast also, because it has been under tremendous amount of selling pressure. If you see, from 600 odd to 330, 340, it just came down in about 2 to 3 weeks, and that is why I believe the up move also should come very, very fast. So one can buy at current levels. Good delivery based volumes also been seen in this counter, with a target of about 435, 440 from trading perspective. You can keep a stop loss about. And one is a sell call.
Nirav, just one question on Stride Shasun before again you talk about more stocks here. Strides, now as you've just talked about structure, technical breakout, the open interest addition, I just want to ask you on that also. Let's take from that perspective also. Open interest addition is only 1.5%, and in Friday, last 10 minutes, there was a 12% reduction in open interest. Why this open interest actually is not picking up materially? Like, I'm trying to link the both technical breakout with open interest build-up.
Yeah, in fact, I'm very happy that the open interest has come down in this stock. If you see, it has been under tremendous amount of selling pressure, and what happens is, if the stock comes up and the open interest is down, that means the shorts are covering their positions rapidly, and that is a very, very good thing, because I feel at this moment shorts are not very happy that the stock is going to go down from here. They believe they can the stock can come up, and the open interest increase is only very near. It can come in probably in 1 to 2 days, or probably in a week, where a lot of interest will be generated in the stock. However, the short covering is the first real important factor in a stock, and that is happening, and that is why I'm very bullish on the stock.
Right, and now let's talk about your other topics.
Yeah. The second one is a sell on Yes Bank. If you see Yes Bank, after result had come to 360 odd levels, you've seen a lot of open interest increase at those levels on the short side, and that stock has considerably been coming down from there on. I believe this stock can again come down towards 300 from where it had actually moved up in a week from 300 to 360. So you can short at current levels on the futures with a stop loss of about 335, 340 and a possible target of about 320.
Well, Yes Bank and Strides, both the stocks are the top picks from Nirav. Yes Bank again today almost 0.5% up here. Strides, I would say again is a consensus pick again since the morning. Jay, Rajesh and now Nirav again. All the three guests, they have given thumbs up to this stock again. So watch out. Keep this stock in your radar. It looks like a sort of a consensus favorite here. Also, let's talk about a couple of stocks. Nirav, first one perhaps in the list is Apollo Hospital. Strong open interest build up today. My screen is telling me it's almost 17% build up, long build up again, which is coming in Apollo Hospital. So, what's your take on this stock? And number two, in the context of recent pharma rally, how much upside do you see in this stock?
See, most stocks, what has really happened is they've been consolidating, and from there, they've witnessed a rally in the last 1 or 2 weeks. In Apollo Hospitals, that breakout that other stocks have shown hasn't really come. Yes, it has come up above the 1000 odd levels. However, I believe it can, still witness a lot of consolidation still. 1100 seems to be a strong resistance for the stock on the upside. Until that is broken, I don't think I'll be going long aggressively. Yes, there has been, indication that some smart players are building in positions for a medium-term perspective, and they might roll over, every month on month also. The stock can go towards 1300 odd levels once 1100 is broken. So I'll be more aggressive, in the buying zone only above 1100 odd levels. From current levels, the risk reward is not really favorable, at least up till 1100 odd levels. So one can keep a stop loss of 1050, which is a weak support area, and go long for 1100, but aggressive long should only come above 1100 odd levels.
Well, Nirav, thanks a lot for all those strategies and insights into perhaps what we should be watching out. Two calls coming from Nirav, Strides, and also again the second one again we have already talked about. So again both the stocks again they seem to be Yes Bank again, the second one perhaps that is going to come on your screen. So both the stocks you're going to watch out, but I have to say watch out for Strides again. Since the morning again we have heard for the third time as a favorite again coming from our guest here. So again that stock again 5% up almost, and at present still is trading at day's high. Now let's talk about TCS.